Here's an example of a website that might be used as a source. The first thing I want to look for is the author of the website. And I can see the words by NCLD editorial team on this site. That is the author of this particular article. The next thing I'm going to look for is the title of the article or individual web page that I'm taking information from. In this case, the title is How ADHD Affects Learning. I also need to know the title of the website that the page is found on. The name of this website is National Center for Learning Disabilities, which is at the top left-hand corner of the page. That's typically where you will find the name of the website. You're also going to need to include the publisher or sponsoring organization for the website. You can check to be sure you have the correct publisher or sponsoring organization by going to the About Us link on the web page. About Us is going to tell you about the company, the publisher, or the organization that put the website out. In this case, I'm going to look to see what the name of the organization is, and this introductory paragraph tells me that it is the National Center for Learning Disabilities, abbreviated NCLD. So the name of the website and the name of the publisher are the same in this case. If I return to the page with my article, I need to also look for the date the article was written, the last date it was updated, or if I can't find that information, the copyright date for the article or the website. Usually you'll find the date near the top of the article, somewhere around the title or the author. If you don't see it there, you can go to the end of the article. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of this page. There's still no date listed here, so I'm going to go to the next page, which has the end of the article. This is page 2, and if I scroll down to the end, I see additional resources, but still no date listed. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom of the web page and see if there is any kind of date information for the website. From here, I can see that there's copyright 2013 to the National Center for Learning Disabilities. Although it's a copyright for the entire website and not the individual article, it's the best information that I have. If the citation style you're using requires you to include a URL, you'll need to find out if you have to include the entire URL or only the URL for the home page. The URL for the home page is going to be the beginning part of the web address, everything up to the first /. Not all citation styles require you to include the URL, so you'll need to check a manual to find out if you need that information. Here's another example of a website that could be used as a source. Now you're going to find the pieces you'll need for an MLA citation. You'll need to start with the author. Click the name of the author for this article. The author is Eileen Bailey, and for MLA style we're going to use her last name, then her first name. Now we need the title of the article or web page we're working with. So click the title of the individual page that we are working with. The title of this page is When Parents Feel Their Child Needs Special Accommodations, which we're going to put in quotation marks. The next piece of information we need is the name of the website. Click the name of the website. This website is titled Health Central. That information is going to go in italics. The next piece of information is the publisher or sponsoring organization. Remember, you can use the About Us link to find out who the sponsoring organization is. If we scroll down this screen, we can see the About Us link on the bottom of the page. Click the About Us link. This page should tell you who the sponsoring organization is. Click the name of the organization that created the website. Health Central is both the name of the website and the name of the organization that sponsors the website. When it's listed as the name of the publisher, Health Central is in regular font. Finally, we need the date of the article or page, so we need to go back to the actual article for this information. Remember, if there is no date at the beginning of the article, you should check the end of the article. And if there is no date for the individual article, you can use a date associated with the entire website. Click the date for this website. MLA style does not require you to use a URL unless the website you used cannot be easily found. The last pieces of information you'll need are the word web to indicate that this was an online source and the date you accessed the site originally. You've now created an MLA style citation for this website.